So hey guys, today I'm going to be recording a video on me talking about what I want to do once I hit 50k. I mean not 50k, I mean 50 subscribers. So guys, I have these choices. So guys, the first choice is I play lots of different games, but I have to have them on my Nintendo, or I have to have them on this second account that I'm on right now. Okay? So, for example, Sonic 06, no, I can't play that. Maybe Sonic Superstars, no, I can't play that. I can only play the games that I have. Okay, guys, so if you ask for Sonic 06, I'm sorry, I can't play it. You ask for Sonic Superstars, sorry, I can't play it. You ask for Sonic Mania, sorry, I can't play it. Some games I do not have access to. Well, I don't mean access like that. But I don't have, sometimes I don't have those games. Even Sonic Generations. Both of the Generation games, I do not have them as well. I'm gonna see if I can get some games, Sonic games. Sonic Frontiers, we can play Sonic Frontiers because I have it. At least we can play Sonic Frontiers. Let me think of another game. Sonic Colors Ultimate, we can play that. Sonic Speed Simulator. What else? But I'm gonna think of some games once I get 50 subscribers. But anyway, look of that. It's on. The text is on the side. So now the second thing, I'm gonna do a room tour, but I can only do the room tour, but it will take long to do the room tour. Okay, so guys, it will take a bit long to do the room tour. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna put these two options on the sides. So they're on the sides now. You can choose which side you want. So yeah, tell me in the comments which side you're on. And yeah, just tell me in the comments which side you're on. And also guys, since you guys like all my episodes of all these episodes and stuff. You see the episode of Chronos, Silver. I'm making another episode. I'm making an episode 2, but it's gonna take a bit long to come out because I'm still making it. I just started making that episode 2, guys. Well, it's not about Chronos anyway, it sort of is, but it's not about him anymore, it's about someone else. So guys, yeah, the two options are still on the screen, but anyways guys, I'm gonna have to say bye.